Is this gonna be my first vlog in English? Looks like it. No, I actually have some friends who told me that they were kind of interested in my channel, but they cannot speak French. So since I'm actually back to France, I thought maybe it would be cool to show you around and try videos in English now, but I'm not really sure how it's gonna look like. Anyway, for my first month in France, I mostly spent time with family. Ooh, that's cute. But this month I'm actually gonna travel around, meet some friends, do other stuff around France. So yeah, I guess it would be fine to show you that. And let's start with Toulouse, one of my favorite cities in France. It's a really beautiful city. We even call it the Pink City because of the color of the buildings here. So yeah, let me show you around.
Sur les trottoirs, je pense à toi. Sur les boulevards, je pense à toi. Dans la nuit noire, je pense à toi. Même s'il est tard. Sous les réverbères, je pense à toi. Dans la lumière, je pense à toi. Tous les hémisphères, je pense à toi. Sous la poussière, on était beau. Pourtant, on accélérait sans fin. On s'aimait trop pour s'aimer bien.
Okay, let's head back home. I hope I won't have any trouble with transportation today, because today is May the 1st, which is a holiday. This is Labor Day in France. And as you might know, we do have a lot of strikes on weekends because of that retirement law, which makes French people very unhappy. And I know in Bordeaux, they are cancelling all the tramways and all the buses, which made me buy another train ticket last night. That's annoying. But on the other hand, we have a very specific tradition in France for May the 1st, which consists of offering lily of the valley to people you appreciate. It's kind of weird. Anyway, I just arrived at the train station, so let's go home. And just like that, we've arrived in Lille. That's actually the first time I come to this city, and I have no idea what to see except this very somehow interesting cathedral, Notre Dame de Trelles. Treilles. I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's a very unusual look. The inside was actually more traditional, and they didn't actually manage to build it the way they wanted it because they didn't have enough money for that, which is why we have this like weird result in the end. I don't really like it. Oh, but that is cute though. It doesn't even look like France. It's very unusual to get that in France. So basically we came here today because of my sister, because she has to go to an interview to get in a university, and she doesn't really know how to take a flight, how to move into a new city, how to take a subway and everything, so I just came with her. But for now we're just gonna walk around until the interview.
T'en trouveras d'autres des mecs comme moi. Et on aura plein des gars pour toi. Tes boucles brunes s'évaporent dans mon âme, dans mon corps.
It's time to purge. Now actually in France, every first Wednesday of the month, they're just ringing this fucking bell from the firehouse.
Je te cherche dans mes songes, je te traque dans mes rêves. À l'aube ou dans l'ombre, rire en veine sur tes lèvres, écorchant les abîmes de mon cœur écarlate. Tu n'es que le point fixe de mes songes disparates. Aime-moi dans la neige, aime-moi sous le soleil, aime-moi la peau beige dans les fleurs de vermeil. Je vois des gens qui cornuent, je vois des gens qui me sourient, mais moi je plane dans la rue, dans tes yeux sous la pluie.
We finally arrived at the campus. It's pretty clean, and they even have a park. Like what the fuck? So we are the next day. I didn't film anything yesterday because it literally took 10 hours from Bordeaux to here. That was exhausting. I mean, I just slept the whole time. But so we're gonna spend this 4-day weekend in this cabin. But today we'll be visiting Le Pont du Gard and the Haribo factory. Let me show you how's the cabin like from the outside. That's literally the kind of camping sites I used to go when I was a kid.
Tu fais pas partie des premières, tu fais pas partie des dernières. Y a 2-3 trucs que tu sais faire, mais tu te sens pas particulière. T'as un peu connu l'amour, mais t'as pas connu la guerre. Tes parents t'ont aimé ce qu'il fallait pour pas que t'avances dans la vie à l'envers. Tu gères, tu fais le taf, t'es ok. T'as jamais fait de vagues là où tu nages à pied. Parfois je te vois dans tes pensées. Tu te mets à regretter. Tu dis.
So the water would continue from the bridge to over there, which is actually broken over here. Okay, so we're gonna head to the next point, which is the Haribo Museum. Last time I was there, I was basically 3 years old. I don't remember anything about it, basically. And that's kind of funny, because I remember in Seoul, there was also a Haribo exhibition. But I told my friends, let's not go there. It's not worth it, it's too expensive for what it is. In France, we do have a Haribo Museum, the official one. It's been there for years. And I know we're gonna have free candies. That's the point. Let's go.
Tout le monde, il veut seulement la thune. Et seulement ça, ça les fait bander. Tout le monde, il veut seulement la fame. Et seulement ça, ça les fait bouger. Bouger leur cul le temps d'un verre. Photo sur Insta, c'est obligé. Sinon, au fond, à quoi ça sert? Si c'est même pas pour leur montrer.
Je dois rentrer la truc.
Et puis à quoi bon? T'es tellement seul derrière ton écran.
Anyway, I could not keep vlogging after that because my battery died. But basically, we just had a walk around the city and had an ice cream. Mine was lavender and violet. That was really good. Anyway, let's call it a day. See you tomorrow.
The next day.
Today we're going to Nîmes and then we're going to Les Carrières des Lumières. It's like a light exhibition, and I know they have that in Seoul, in Jeju, New York, Dubai. I actually wanted to see the Van Gogh's exhibition in Jeju because it's in a bunker. So let's try it out in France. I just woke up, I'm so dead. So here we are in Nîmes and we're gonna visit the arena of Nîmes, which is pretty funny because that means I've visited 2 arenas in 2 different countries within 1 week. The first one being in Verona in Italy. On our way to the Quarry of Lights, you can see all the natural cliffs over here. They are basically everywhere. It's pretty cool. Wow, I haven't been very consistent with my vlog. I still hope I have enough recordings to actually make it look like something, like an actual vlog. But anyway, that was me trying to show what's my life like in France. I mean, no, I do not travel that much usually. And tonight I heard there was a firework in my village, so I might go even though I know it's not gonna be good. But for now, let's call this vlog done. And if you liked it, I might try to make other vlogs in English. Still not sure about that.